Good morning, everyone. Today is part 5 of maths. In the yesterday class, we have completed exercise 12A, and today we will solve exercise 12B, which is MCQs, multiple choice questions. So the first question in your book is, which of the following is correct? So distance is equal to speed into time. Time is equal to distance into speed. Among all the fours, question number 1, option A is correct. Which is this option? Distance is equal to speed into time. This is your correct option. Now question number 2. To convert a speed of kilometer per hour into meter per second, we multiplied with, I told you if meter is there, so a smaller number will be there and larger number will be in denominator. So we multiplied by 5/18. So option C is correct. In question number 2, option C is correct. Then question number 3. A car is moving with the speed of 90 kilometer per hour. The speed in meter per second. To convert it into meter per second, what we will do? We multiply it by 5/18. 18 ones are 18 fives are. So it becomes 25 meter per second. Means option number B is correct in question number 3. Then question number 4. An athlete runs at 30 km per hour. In how much time will he run a race of 200 meter? So speed is given as 30 km per hour. Time they have asked, and distance they have given 200 meter. So first you will see the option of question number 5. The time is given in second. So you need to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay, then the unit will be same meter and meter, and then we will solve it. So to convert it into meter per second, we multiplied by 5/18 and it becomes meter per second. Okay, so in the table of 18 it is not coming, but in the table of 6 threes are 6 5s are. Okay, so it will become 25/3 meter per second. Now we will use the formula time is equal to distance upon speed. So we are using the formula time is equal to distance upon speed, and we put the value of distance 200 and speed 25/3. Now what happened? When this 25/3 goes upside, it becomes reciprocal. Now in the table of 5 fives are, 5 fours are, then 5 ones are, 5 eights are. So we are having 8 into 3, which is equal to 24 seconds. So question number 4, option B is correct option. Okay, now question number 5. A car is moving at a speed of, so speed is given 48 kilometer per hour. How many meters will it travel in 15 minutes? So time is given as 15 minutes. And how many meter will it travel? Means they are asking distance. Meter में क्या होती है? Distance होती है. So distance they are asking. So first it is given in kilometer per hour and it is given in minute. Let us see what the option is given. In all the option, the distance is given in meter. So we need to convert this into meter per second and this into second. So first, to convert this into meter per second, we multiply by 5/18 and it becomes meter per second. Let us see, it is cancelled. In the table of 6 threes are 6 8s are. then it will come out 40 upon 3 meter per second. And time is given in minute, so we convert it into second. In 1 minute there are 60 seconds, so we multiply it by 60, so and leave it, we will not multiply it. Then to find distance, we know the formula of distance is equal to speed into time. So we put speed 40 upon 3 and time 15 into 60. 3 ones are 3 5s. So we are having 40 into 5 6 are 30 and 1 0. Then we multiplied 12,000 meter. Okay, and which option is this? It is option C. So 5, option C is correct. Okay, now moving on towards the next question, question number 6. Now see, in question number 6 it is given a cyclist cover 175 meter, means distance is given in 25 seconds, time is given. Find the speed in kilometer per hour. So we have to find the speed in kilometer per hour. So first we will find it in meter per second. So speed is equal to distance upon time, 175 upon 25. In the table of 5, 5 5s are 5 3s are 5 5s. Again 5 1s are 5 7s. So it is 7 meter per second. But we have to give the answer in kilometer per hour. So we multiplied by 18 upon 5. It is converted into kilometer per hour. Then it is not cancelling, so we multiply 7 8s are 56, 7 1s are 7 and 5 126 upon 5. Then we divide by 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25 point and 5 2s are 10. So it is 25.2 kilometer per hour. So which option is correct? Question number 6, option D is correct option. Now we are moving towards the last question of this exercise. Question number 7. A car covers 108 kilometer in first 2 hours. So first distance is given 108 kilometer and time is given 2 hours and 90 kilometers. So second distance is given 90 kilometer in next 1 hour and time is given 1. Find the average speed. So to find the average speed, we will find total distance and total time. So total distance is equal to sum of the two distance, 108 plus 90, which has become 198 kilometer, and total time again is T1 plus T2. 2 plus 1 means 3 hours. So we have find total distance and total time. Now to find average speed, we put the formula. Average speed is equal to total distance upon total time. And the total distance is 198 and total time is 3. Then we divide by 3, 3 6 are 10, 3 6 are 10 and unit will be kilometer per hour. So which option is this? 7, option C is correct. Okay, so these questions you need to tick the option in the book and you need to solve the question in the copy, and mental math and true false, do it by yourself. This is all for today. In this way your chapter 12 is completed. Whatever we have completed, please do practice in your summer vacation. Make a good use of your holidays by spending more time in your studies. Complete your work, learn the lessons and practice in maths. do well and be confident, have a good use of your vacations, study and also enjoy your vacation by doing your activities, and all your entertainment also is a part of your life. So make a good use of holiday by make a timetable by spending some time to studies and some time to enjoy yourself, relax. And that is all for today. Next we will start another chapter after vacations. So have a nice day, have a nice holidays, and may God bless you.